In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best spinning reels for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just getting started, these reels are designed to deliver unbeatable performance, smoothness, and durability. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Kastking Sharky 3 Spinning Reel. The Kastking Sharky 3 Spinning Reel is engineered for anglers who demand power, reliability, and innovation in their fishing gear. Featuring an impressive 39.5 pounds or 18 kilograms of smooth drag, this reel excels with its triple-disc carbon fiber drag system, delivering exceptional performance in both freshwater and saltwater environments. With a high-strength, oversized stainless steel main shaft and precision mesh manganese brass pinion gears, the Sharky 3 is built to last and tackle larger fish with ease. The reel is equipped with the Kastking Intrusion Shield system, a unique water-resistant design that protects the spool, body, and rotor from the elements, ensuring the longevity of the reel even in challenging conditions. The Sharky 3 also stands out with its Shark fin braid-ready aluminum spool, eliminating the need for backing line when spooling with braided fishing line, giving you more line capacity. It features 10+1 high-quality, saltwater-rated, double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings for ultra-smooth operation, and the instant lock anti-reverse ensures seamless retrieval. The lightweight, reinforced graphite body and rotor enhance its strength, while the aluminum handle adds durability. Whether you're after bass, pike, or bigger game fish, the Kastking Sharky 3 offers superior performance, making it a versatile and affordable choice for every angler. Number 4. Daiwa Fuego CSLT Spinning Fishing Reel. The Daiwa Fuego CSLT Spinning Fishing Reel is a true innovation for anglers looking for lightweight strength and advanced features. With a body and rotor constructed from Zhiyun carbon fiber, this reel is not only stronger but also more durable than previous models, ensuring reliability for all your fishing adventures. The Fuego CSLT is packed with cutting-edge technologies, including mag-sealed LCABS air rotor and tough gear. These innovations work together to reduce friction, improve casting distance, and ensure smooth operation for a seamless fishing experience. The reel's lightweight design is made possible by the Newell Tees concept, where Daiwa has reduced excess weight without compromising strength or line capacity. One of the standout features of the Fuego CS is its magnetic oil waterproof technology. This creates a protective film between the body and the shaft, preventing seawater or dust from entering and keeping the reel's performance smooth. Additionally, the durable digital gears have been meticulously engineered, with improvements in diameter, thickness, and gear shape, resulting in increased durability and overall quality. The improved drag system offers increased toughness and better ATD Advanced Tournament drag performance, even with a reduced spool size. The newly designed handle is both strong and lightweight, helping to further reduce the reel's overall weight. With a maximum drag of 12 kilograms and the integration of several advanced features, the Daiwa Fuego CSLT offers anglers everything they need for an exceptional fishing experience. Number 3. Kastking Kestrel Spinning Reel. The Kastking Kestrel Spinning Reel is designed for precision and performance, offering anglers a high-quality fishing experience. Weighing only 131 grams, this reel features a super lightweight carbon fiber body and rotor, making it easy to handle without sacrificing strength or durability. Equipped with a 4.5 kilograms maximum drag, the Kastking Kestrel is perfect for finesse fishing, providing smooth and reliable power to handle various fish species. The reel features a 6.2 1-gear ratio, ensuring quick retrieval speeds for efficient fishing. One of its standout features is the double sliding stabilizer rods, which provide additional stability, ensuring a more balanced and smooth operation. The aerodynamic asymmetric reel rotor is designed to reduce resistance, allowing for better overall performance, even in tough conditions. The Kastking Kestrel is built with high-strength CNC aluminum main gears and brass pinion gears, making it ideal for competitive anglers who need precision in every cast. The sealed CNC anodized aluminum spool provides added protection, ensuring longevity even in harsh environments. With 10+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, this reel delivers a smooth and friction-free operation, making each cast effortless. Plus, the patent-pending bait finesse spool allows for better line control when targeting smaller fish or when finesse techniques are required. Whether you are fishing in freshwater or saltwater, the Kastking Kestrel spinning reel offers exceptional performance, durability, and lightweight design, making it a must-have for serious anglers. Number 2. Daiwa Moon Beauty XLT Fishing Reel. The Daiwa Moon Beauty XLT spinning fishing reel is engineered for precision and high performance, offering a combination of advanced features and a lightweight design. The shallow spool and LT construction make this reel incredibly easy to handle, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions, while supporting a variety of baits for enhanced angling success. Weighing just 195 grams, the reel is built to tackle a range of fishing environments, from ocean boat fishing to river or reservoir pond battles. It is constructed with durable materials, ensuring it stands up to the tough conditions of saltwater and rock fishing. Equipped with a 5+1 ball bearing system, the Moon Beauty XLT ensures smooth casting and retrieval, allowing for peak performance in various fishing scenarios. The 4.8 gear ratio offers a winding length of 60 centimeters per rotation, providing the right balance of speed and power. This reel also boasts a range of innovative technologies such as air rotor, mag-sealed, and LCAB, EAS, all of which contribute to reducing friction and enhancing durability. The anti-reverse switch and tough digigear add to the reel's stability and smoothness during operation. With a maximum drag force of 5 kilograms, the Daiwa Moon Beauty XLT spinning fishing reel is a versatile, reliable choice for anglers who need a lightweight, high-performance reel that excels in a variety of fishing environments. Number 1. TLXT TBG Spinning Reel. The TLXT TBG spinning reel is designed for anglers who demand durability, smoothness, and power. Its black, anodized machined aluminum housing, combined with the hard body's body and side cover, makes this reel exceptionally rigid and durable. The oversized digigear system ensures long-lasting performance, with gears that are 20% to 40% larger than those found in most competitors, delivering superior strength and gear life. This reel features an all-aluminum frame, offering both lightweight strength and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The air rotor system reduces weight while providing increased strength and rotational balance, resulting in superior reel sensitivity and smoother operation. The TLXT TBG spinning reel is equipped with a dynamic cut aluminum, a BS spool, and is braided line-ready, allowing for easy spooling without backing. The waterproof drag system with carbon ATD provides an ultra-smooth drag experience, reducing initial drag startup inertia and enhancing overall drag performance. With a gear ratio of 5.6, 1 and a maximum drag of 15.4 kilograms, this reel offers powerful performance for a wide range of fishing conditions. The line capacity ranges from 8-pound test at 240 yards to 30-pound test at 190 yards, providing ample line for various fishing techniques. The infinite anti-reverse system paired with an infinite dual anti-reverse system on models 4500 and larger, ensures smooth, reliable operation, making the TLXT BG spinning reel a versatile and dependable choice for anglers. There you have it. The top 5 best spinning reels for 2025. Each of these reels brings something unique to the table, ensuring that no matter your fishing style, you'll find the perfect match. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or favorite picks.